Today's case, section 2.1.6, which is a higher level extension topic. So if you're in higher level, you're responsible for this. If you're in standard level, you're not. So you won't be doing this case. Please skip it if you're standard level. I think that's only one person. So this is employment rights, and the case involves Walmart. I'll go ahead and read it to you. Walmart, global retailer Walmart has, and this is on page 192, global retailer Walmart was charged with breaking local labor laws in late 2006. Walmart had been found guilty of exploiting employees in Pennsylvania, USA, by forcing them to work during their rest breaks without pay. The courts demanded Walmart pay $78 million in damages. The following year, approximately 1.6 million female workers also filed for discrimination charges, claiming Walmart denied them promotion due to their gender. They also claimed Walmart paid male counterparts higher wages. And you can look that up, go and find out what actually happened to Walmart. Did they pay, or did they not pay, or did they use their incredibly powerful political muscle to thwart those cases in court? Walmart is famous, I would say, other than the fact that they're one of the most powerful corporations in the world. And I think if they were a country, they'd be like the 10th or 11th largest country in terms of GDP. Don't quote me on that. I could be completely wrong. Again, you might want to fact check that on the internet. But Walmart's also a non-union company. There are no union workers that I know of for Walmart. And in fact, surprisingly, in Quebec, when a Walmart store unionized, mysteriously, Walmart decided to close that store. For some strange reason, as soon as the union vote went through certifying a union, Walmart discovered that that store wasn't making the right amount of profit and closed the store. Subsequently, a union vote in Winnipeg just a few weeks later went Walmart's way. I don't know if there's a connection there, but there might be. What do you think? So what we're dealing with these employment laws is there's actually statute laws, and it depends on the province. It can be federal, it can be a national law, or it can be a state, provincial, regional law dealing with these different discriminations. So I want you to go ahead and read and be familiar with things like pay discrimination, minimum wages, equal pay legislation, the requirements for vacation time and time off due to paternity, maternity leaves, and just basically labor rights that companies can go ahead and break those, but if they get caught, they can be held criminally negligent, and they also can be heavily fined, and they can also open themselves up to huge lawsuits. I think you should probably go on the internet and look up that Walmart case, actually find the dollar numbers in it. And if you see those dollar numbers and understand what companies can be up against, especially very large ones that have deep pockets that can pay in a court case, you'll see why a business wants to really understand what those labor laws are and not violate them. So again, you have a case here, four marks for these are the questions. I'm sorry, 2 marks. Outline the meaning of discrimination in the context of the case study. So what does discrimination mean in the context of the case study? And that specifically has to do with the discrimination of the pay based on gender. And justify why employers such as Walmart need to be aware of employment legislation. Why should they be aware of the employment legislation? What are the possible effects to the company of not being aware of employment legislation and getting sued or taken to court? So good luck on that. It's 10 points. And again, this is a higher level extension. If you're in standard level, you need not worry about this case.